Christmas is all about. I can tell you what Christmas is all about.
Chestnut roasting.
Hey Sunflowers, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited for today's episode of Vlogmas. I'm starting this out super casual in my car. The lighting is kind of crazy right now, but today I'm going to be doing a Christmas shopping vlog. It is currently, when I'm filming this, the 17th of December. December has like flown by. I didn't even realize it was the 17th until my grandma told me that my cousin gets in town tomorrow, and I was like, oh my gosh, like Christmas is literally next week, which is insane. I was like, I need to get it together. So that's what we're gonna do today, and I thought I'd bring you guys along. I love filming shopping vlogs so much. I have so many on my channel, and I always have such a fun time doing them. Sorry the clouds are like moving around. Literally the lighting is changing so much, but I just want to also tell you guys the struggle is real. Two of the main people I need to get presents for today is my brother and my dad. Boys are so hard to shop for. So I texted my brother and I was like, please just give me like a few things that you want for Christmas. And I was like, I can check with mom, make sure she didn't already get them. But I was like, I need like a basic Christmas wish list, because every time you ask men what they want for Christmas, they're like, I don't know, whatever. And I'm like, well, that is not helpful. So I texted him and I was like, please just tell me, like, what do you really want? He really said, I need AA batteries. Or you can get me anything you want, but what I really want is AA batteries. This boy's only wish for Christmas is batteries. So that explains the struggle of Christmas shopping for guys, but it's fine. We are going to head out. I am excited. I have a few things I want to get still besides for those two people, so we'll see if I can find them today. I'm having a hard time Christmas shopping this year. I think it's because the stores keep getting like actually so busy, and then I get overwhelmed and don't want to be in them because they're just so crowded, and it's just a lot. And I should have honestly shopped online more, but that did not happen. So it's not too late though. I want to make sure I have good gifts for everybody. I love giving gifts. I feel like every year I enjoy it more and more. So yeah, let's go shopping. All right, y'all, mask on. We're going into our first store, Hut 8. We love a resale moment. They have Gymshark leggings for $20. Those are so cute. They have this mint Lulu jacket, and they have so many Lulu headbands. I like this neon one. Okay guys, so I'm leaving Hut 8. Pardon my hair, it's like going to progressively get worse because it's drying from my shower, but I did pick up a few things at Hut 8 for my mom. I remembered that I bought her a stocking as a present like 2 years ago, and I was like, shoot, she has nothing for her stocking. So I got a few things at Hut 8 to put in there, and then I still need to get some more things. But I got mom up here watching, stop watching. But okay, so first off, I got these really cute earrings. They just looked exactly to me like something she would order off Etsy or something. They have little faces on them. I thought they were so cute and just very funky. My mom loves funky stuff. Okay, and then I got her another pair of earrings. She loves like funky earrings. My mom's kind of just like a funky dresser like me. Okay, one of the earrings fell off into the bag, but I'll just show you guys the one. But there is a matching pair. They're these really big, cute cheetah felt ones. And then lastly, I got her this adorable keychain. This is one of those key rings, so she can put her keys or whatever on it. I have one, where is it? I have this cow one that's older. My mom actually got for me, but I know that hers is getting kind of gross and old and broken, so I got her a new one, and it's actually really cool. If you guys can see, it's literally like individually beaded, so I thought this was so nice. But yes, I'm very excited that I found a few things there, and I was able to use my store credit from selling clothes yesterday to get these, which is awesome. So now I'm going to head to my next store, and it came in such a cute little bag. I'm just very excited. I need to text my sister to see if she'll get stuff for my dad's stocking, or if I'm doing my dad's stocking too. We will find out. I think last year we both did like one of my parents' stockings, but we will see. So yes, let's go to my next store. Okay guys, so I'm currently walking over to the premium outlets. These are like 30 minutes from my house. There's a particular store I want to go to here, and then I'll probably hop in a few others. So mask up and we're going in. secured the bag. I hope I got what she would want. It was hard to pick out the color. Okay guys, so update time. Someone's like literally behind my car, but I left the store. I got my mom what she really wanted, and I know that she's not going to be expecting it at all. I went the other weekend because she got something to surprise my sister with. My mom never buys stuff for herself though, but she was like, this is so cute. Her wallet she has is like super busted. It's from like years ago. So I'm very excited to give this to her. I'm going to show you guys it when I get back home, even though I'll have to be like really quiet because my mom will be there. The lighting is just like so bad right now. But we are going to head into PetSmart. I need to get the rest of Stormy's presents and Target to get my brother's presents. I think I'm going to get him the batteries he asked for and his own coffee mug because he like just started drinking coffee a lot, but he always has to use girly ones because we have like no boy ones. Or girly boy. I mean, there's no such thing as a girly or boy coffee mug, but you guys know what I mean. I feel like he would prefer something that's like his. So, yeah. Literally my whole life just consists of trying to spoil Stormy. Looking for some stuff for her stocking. These are the cutest blender bottles ever. I'm so tempted even though I'm trying to shop for other people, not myself today. I found the finishing presents for Stormy, but I'm not having much luck with mugs for Cade. I really want one that has a C on it and they don't have any left, so I might have to go somewhere else this week. Okay guys, so update, I'm leaving Target. I'm sorry that all the vlog clips in the stores today are pretty much on my phone, but stuff's super busy because right before Christmas, so I'm not trying to like take up room in the aisles and stuff, trying to vlog, but I did want to get some footage for you guys. So the sun actually went down whenever I was inside Target because I was in there for a while, so I thought I would do my haul of the rest of the stuff that I got today in the car, and then I'll do a wrapping like montage time-lapse moment at home. That way none of my family hears what I got. So first of all, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what I got my mom. It is returnable, so in case she wants to exchange this for a different color, but it is so nice, guys. Look at this. I am seriously so excited for her to open it because she's not gonna expect it at all. I decided to get this color just because red always makes me think of my mom for some reason, and I just think this is so nice. It's so durable. It was like the biggest one they had, and she keeps track of her receipts and everything, so I thought this one would work really well for her. I almost got her the black one because I was like, is she gonna care if it doesn't match her purse or whatever? So I did get a gift thing. I won't be offended at all if she wants a different color, but I picked out the red, and I'm going to put this bag in another box and wrap it because, like I said, I want to catch her by surprise. The car is like driving by me in the parking lot, making me nervous. Like, why are there so many people in the back of this parking lot right now? Okay, and then very exciting. I know you guys are probably like, there's so much cat content on this channel. Comment down below if you actually have a cat, but I'll just show you really quick. I did run into PetSmart because I wanted to get a few things for Stormy's stocking still, and I'm actually done Christmas shopping for her now. But I got her a salmon dinner. This is one of her favorites. She gets so excited. And then I got her some new stuff to try. I'm literally such a cat mom. I get so excited. I got her these little soups. Look how cute packaging is. I thought these two flavors looked yummy, and I thought I could put these in her stocking since they are like lighter weight. Like if I got too many cans, because I know she likes the cans, but I thought I would get her something new to try that wasn't so heavy so the stocking won't like break. But I got shrimp flavor and tuna flavor. I know she loves shrimp because her shrimp treats are like her new favorite thing in the world, but I thought I would get two different things. That way I can figure out what she likes, and I like to give her wet food like once a week at least. Is like my goal for the new year. I want to do better at it because she really likes it. So I'll see which one of those is her favorite and I can buy her more. And then lastly at Target, I got a few more things for Stormy. And my mom and Kate actually. So I got these because foofs are her absolute favorite, and these were only like $1. It was the last ones they had, and I wanted to get something in her stocking that like she would be instantly excited about, because obviously the food, she's not gonna quite get it until I feed it to her, and I can't feed it all to her at once. But I knew if I put these little foofs, she can never get enough of these. There was like one of these in her advent calendar, and that's what her and Molly always fight over. So this comes with 4 crinkle toys. She literally, those are her favorite. I got these catnip Pounce Lion cat toys because are these not the cutest thing you've ever seen? I had to do it. I might wrap these. I haven't decided if I'm gonna wrap these or put these in her stocking, but I think they're so cute. And then I got a few things. Well, okay, I got Cade the batteries. Who knew batteries were like $10? Like, that's not expensive for a Christmas present, but I just expected them to be like $2. But I got him a pack of AA batteries like he wanted, guys. And then I got my mom a few things for her stocking. So you guys saw stuff from Hut 8, and I got this stuff, and I'm gonna see how full it is, and then I'm gonna see if I need to get more or if we're good. But I got her favorite candy, Toblerone. Unless I break it. But I might go pick her up like some more for favorite candy. I know most of that stuff because me and my mom spend a lot of time together, but I know she loves this, so I got her that, and it was in the checkout. I got her 2 new nail polishes because the other day she was talking about painting her nails, and she bought herself like $1 nail polish because she doesn't, like I said, spend money on herself. These weren't super expensive either, but I've used these before and I know that they're really decent quality. So I got a little pink one in the color Make It Snappy, and I got this red nail polish in the color ASAP Apple. Like I said, red always makes me think of my mom, and I just thought the pink was super pretty, if you guys can kind of see that. And the last thing I got her this Kristen S. The One Signature Conditioner. I've heard a lot of YouTubers talk about this, and I've actually wanted to try it myself. I haven't, but I've heard this is really good, so I got this travel size one, and I thought she could try it if she wanted. I know that she struggles with dead ends and stuff, but I'm always telling her not to cut her hair, so I thought she would appreciate that. And yeah, that's everything that I got today. I'm feeling pretty good about it. I think I might try to get Cade one more thing. I'm gonna go to Goodwill for my dad's present, because if you guys watch my 13 vlog, he has a Goodwill stand, and I feel like that's what would mean the most to him if I could find him some good gifts there. But I didn't want to get them with him when I was at Goodwill because I didn't want him to know his presents. So that will probably be like a few days later in Vlogmas. But yeah, stay tuned for tomorrow's vlog. I have my college announcement coming super duper soon. That's seriously like insane. I paid my enrollment if you guys saw my last video, so I'm just waiting to finish a few things, and then I'm going to announce it on YouTube and make a whole video. It's going to be so fun. I am going to be announcing my secret project within the next week. There's so many fun things coming, so I'm very excited. But right now I'm going to head home, have family dinner, and then we are going to, next time we'll see each other, it's probably going to be wrapping presents. I'm so excited. Literally giving my mom Christmas every year is like my favorite part, so I'm excited for her to have her fun stocking, and I'm really excited to give her the wallet because I am also, the other thing I've already gotten for her is I was giving her an Ana Luisa necklace, which is my favorite jewelry brand ever. I worked with them, and I saved one of the things that they sent me for her. And so I think that she probably thinks she's getting that because I had like slightly brought it up, but I know she's not gonna know this one, so it's just gonna be the cherry on top. I'm very, very excited. So yes, let's head home and I'll see you guys in a bit. Okay guys, so it has been quite a minute. It is literally 10:42 right now. I just checked the time and I am finally ready to wrap presents. I just spent the night with my family. I know I've been saying that a lot the past few days, and my sister just got home from college and she's like never here. So we've just been having fun hanging out. But yes, also we're almost out of wrapping supplies, so I might have to go pick up more and wrap all of these in a separate vlog. But I am going to try and do as much as I can. So yeah, let's get to wrapping and see how much we can accomplish. Alright guys, so Miss Stormy is coming on. Let's show you guys her to do her unboxing. Look baby, gonna do your Stormy calendar of the day since we finished wrapping gifts. What is it? Your favorite sugar. She's gonna love this. Baby. Hey look, it's a food. Oh. And she loves it. Where's that food? Alright guys, Miss Stormy wanted to show you guys that she loves her new foo. And we wanted to thank you guys so much for watching this video. I appreciate your guys' support so much, and I will see you guys tomorrow for another episode of Vlogmas.